Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the clipboard error in Microsoft Excel. So if you encounter this kind of error statement, there was a problem with the clipboard and this will occur while you are trying to copy content from the spreadsheet. So for that, let's go quick into the process. First is you can try to close any Microsoft Excel instances or processes on our Windows. But before you can go on with that process, make sure that you have saved your work in the Microsoft Excel and then go ahead in the Windows search bar, type task MGR. Task Manager will appear under the best match. Go ahead and click on that, maximize this. In the search bar, type Excel. Simply make a right click and then you have to select the end task option. And after you have clicked that option, that will completely close any Microsoft Excel instances or processes on your Windows. And after that, you just need to open your spreadsheet or your work and try to see if the problem has been fixed. For the next method is you can simply restart Microsoft Excel. So while you are on your Microsoft Excel, make sure to save your work and then just simply close it and then open it again. In this way, you are restarting Microsoft Excel. Now this could be very simple, but sometimes it can help you. So try restarting your Microsoft Excel. Then for the next method is we can use the built-in tool in Microsoft Excel, which is the Open and Repair It tool. Click on the File tab at the top left corner. Select Open. Click on Browse. Then choose your document or your work. Click on this drop-down arrow next to Open and you have this option Open and Repair. Now this option will appear Repair. Simply click on the Repair option and wait for the process, and after that just see if the problem has been fixed. For the next method is we can also disable the Excel add-ins because sometimes add-ins on your Microsoft Excel can cause your error. So click on the File tab again at the top left corner, select More, select Options. Then you have to click on Add-ins. Now click on this drop-down arrow next to Manage. Choose Excel add-ins, click on Go, and simply uncheck these boxes right here to disable the Excel add-ins and click on OK. Now for the next method is we can also clear the clipboard history on our Windows. So press the Windows key and letter V key together and simply click this Clear All option. So after you have cleared the clipboard history on your Windows, just open your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet and try to see if the problem has been fixed. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.